a doll that is as big as baby dolls, well, as regular babies, and it's a boy. So
we're going to teach you how to use a real pattern, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, so my lens is definitely fogging up and I have no idea if you can even see my head. And we've got a little laundry going at the same time. So, nice to get a little bit more project done. The chickens are supposed to be here at 4:30, so I do have a bit more work to get done and I need to stay focused. So I'm gonna eat real quick and I'm gonna make string beans, chicken that we got from Costco, and some steamed potatoes. This is a steamer basket. If you want them to go faster, I can bring you in close enough you can actually see it. Okay, so steamed potatoes, 25 minutes. That is a long time. The depressurize is really fast though. Total for me, I bring up to pressure, I let it go to pressure for 10 minutes, and then it has 10 minutes of depressurization. But this one comes down from pressure really fast, so maybe that's why. So I guess we'll test it, and next time I won't cut them. I'll just leave them whole. That means it is still coming up to heat. It is not pressurized yet. When it is pressurized, that will be a solid, whatever it is, it'll be solid. Alright, there we go. Ish. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I have some frozen green beans and I have some thawed chicken thighs, so dark meat. So I'm going to make, I think I'm just going to saute the chicken and then I'm going to steam the vegetables. I think that's what I'm going to do. Okay, so these are the chicken packages that you get at Costco where it's like a 6-pack, a significantly large 6-pack, but they're individually packaged and then you just cut them. And I like that because I could put the whole thing in the freezer and then just cut this off. I left this one in the fridge to thaw and now it's just ready to go. I like to use butter, but I also use a lot of avocado oil, and for a quick meal, I don't think you can beat this. I am a little bit sticker shock with what I spent leaving Costco again. It is enough food that in different ways, everything we got will probably feed us for the next couple months. But a little bit of price, a little bit of sticker shock. The last time we got groceries there, I think it came up to $450. A lot of what we bought was nuts and seeds and everything was organic, but most of it was storage stuff. This time I got more meat than last time. The things that worked last time I got more of. Most of it still wasn't immediately eaten food. It went into storage, but I mean, that's what it feels like when you're getting food storage, is like, oh my gosh, how can we be spending this much? But the thing is, it'll feed us over the course of the next few months, and we just need to fill in the little cracks here and there. So next time we go, it was $100 less this time than it was last time. So if it's $100 less next time I go, and then again $100 less the next time I go, then I feel like that means that our kitchen is pretty well stocked. Instead of having to fill holes in, or instead of having to buy big amounts of things, instead I'm just filling in holes. And again, because everything is so big, it's less than what it would be at Reese's or anything like that, but it's still expensive, my goodness. Okay, so I was going to saute the chicken. Paigey, did you wash your hands? I'm trying to decide if I want to use onions. The onions at Costco are a little too big. See, these are big onions, and we can't really use that big of it. I mean, I can in soups and everything, but then it's kind of overpoweringly onion. So I think I'm going to cut this in half, put it in a Ziploc, and then I'll put the Ziploc in the fridge. Again, everything goes in the compost. Everything we don't use. How about if you go read outside, honey? So, do you have your coat and your sweater on? So, I kind of want you outside.
I don't want to go outside.
I know you don't, but you need some air.
I've been out there for a while, and if the kids aren't out there, I don't want to go out there anyway.
Do you want to come cook?
I'd rather.
Well, I'd rather that you stayed a happy, well-balanced child by getting enough sunshine and movement. Oh yeah, I got my hair cut. Do you like it? Quite a bit shorter, a little easier to manage right now. Okay, so the food is ready. I do think that it's important when you're having projects around the house that you make sure to stop and eat, feed your family, check back in. There's that balance between doing nothing and doing too much, and make sure to have balance. So the chicken is ready, the potatoes are ready, and it is still pressurized. It went for a full 25 minutes, which is more than enough. So I'm gonna flip the switch on the back. There's this little red thing right here, and that's showing you you're still on pressure. So I'm going to lift this. And that's going to relieve the pressure.